Hey there mga my loves, Leo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So before we start ang inyong February 2024 reading, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, yan no. Wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here. You can flip roles if you want. This is general reading here. And of course, timeless din ito mga babes, no? At the end of the day, you still have your free will. Syempre, no, pwede at malaya ninyong gamitin yan, no, anytime. So, yun nga, no, let's shuffle all these decks first before we start diving into your reading. So, thank you so much, Person Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, maraming salamat. Messages for Leo for the month of February 2024, please. Leo for the month of February 2024. Can you please show me? Leo. You could be wearing animal prints right now, or you could be planning, or baka naman may nakita kayo na animal print na suot. This could be a reading. If hindi, okay lang yan. We've seen it, kaya natin minention. Okay, so let us shuffle this one too before we start talking about your mga possible na mga kaganapan here for the month of February 2024. So let's see. This is for Leo's February 2024, please. Leo. Alright, so let's go ahead and check this out. Leo. So first energy we've got here for you, Leo, is this Five of Cups energy. Someone's missing you right off the bat here. Okay, let's make latag muna lahat. You also have here the Two of Cups energy. Definitely, someone here is missing your presence, okay? And this is the type of person here who broke your trust or something here, no? Or parang nag-fell apart, no? Sa inyong connection. Others, no? Nakuha ko dito that it has something to do with friendship. So, if you happen to hear, no? Parang may construction or noise in the background, mga babes, no? I'm so sorry about that. It's out of my control. So, just please bear with me. I'm sorry if it hurts your ear. So, yeah. So let's go back here now with the Five of Cups energy and Two of Cups. I do see right here that there is someone, okay, that is sad right now, feeling so lonely right now. Actually, he or she, no, is parang, gusto niya, no, na parang i-repair, no, ano man ito, no, na parang situation dito, no, pero yun nga, no, na over come siya rito ng sadness, ng loneliness, no, ng emotions na yon. So, medyo hindi siya nakakapag-isip ng maayos, no? So, let's make latag na muna lahat. We also have here the Four of Cups. See? Someone here misses the opportunity, and that is the Two of Cups energy. Others of you could be already connecting here with someone, no? Baka may iba na kayo rito minamahal, may iba na kayo nagugustuhan, no? And your past person here is missing you. Seeing this as a missed opportunity, no? Parang dinadaan niya na lang sa mga pwedeng inaaliw niya yung sarili niya, ganyan. No? Nanonood siya ng Netflix, no? Nanonood ng mga movies dito, or baka naglalaro siya rito ng mga favorite niyang games, no, sa phone man yan, no, or basta parang inaalaw niya yung sarili niya, dinadivert niya yung connection niya sa ibang bagay, no, pero hindi niya yun magawa. Eh, hindi pa rin matalo-talo rito yung lungkot. Yun yung nakikita ko here. And also, we have here this King of Swords energy. The Queen of Pentacles. Ah, okay. Six of Wands. Yeah, malungkot siya na masaya ka na hindi na siya yung kasama mo. Yan. So, something here, no, na parang may inaantay ka. No? Something here with your wish na minamanifest mo, no. It's about to happen bago mag-end, no, ang February 2024. So, something here will manifest, no. Pwedeng ginawan mo to ng vision board or baka nasa wallpaper ito ng yung desktop computer or laptop. Pwede rin naman sa inyong cellphones, babes, no. Pero kung ano man yan, no, it's about to manifest in your reality. Okay? at the end or bago matapos ang February 2024. And it has something to do with nagtitiwala ka na mangyayari to, Leo, at binibigay to sa iyo, no, ng may kapal ni universe dito, no. Wow! So see, because this is something here, no, na pinanghawakan mo talaga. Maybe you could be into crystals or baka meron ka dito yung mga parang mahilig ka sa accessories na pampaswerte or lucky charm. Pwede rin naman na hindi gano'n, pero you're into your spirituality, pwedeng mahilig ka manood ng tarot readings or energy readings, no? Pero pwede rin naman that you believe in the existence of angels and guardians and spirit guides, no? Universe niyan. So, yeah, I also pick up right here that you also need to make here a decision because something here is about to magiging parang mahirap na pagdesisyonan yun sa'yo, pero spirits are saying that you need to listen to your intuition, okay? And then from there, saka mo yun gawin, no? Parang meron ditong desisyon na kailangan kang gawin and it has something to do with matagal mo nang gusto yun na parang matagal na dapat na parang pinag-iisipan mo yan, no? So I think it has something to do with travel or parang baka work related, no? So pwedeng baka meron kang trabaho na tinitingnan pero dahil ito ay malayo na parang kino-consider mo kung ano ba yung dapat mong gawin about that situation. But you're seeing, no, na meron itong posibleng magdala ng parang magandang pagbabago or progress sa life mo. So, it looks like this is something here that's hard for you or difficult na pagdesisyonan, but I'm seeing you right here, no, gagawa ka na ng desisyon and spirits are saying, listen to your intuition, no? So, yung iba, no, doesn't have to be na work-related yan, no? Parang iniisip mo mag-travel, no, and you will stay there, no, ng medyo matagal, no? Parang staycation yung mangyayari sa'yo doon, no? And, pwedeng ikaw to na iniisip mo, ay, wag na nga lang akong pumunta doon or ay, pupunta ba ako doon, no? It's like, listen to your intuition because parang meron ditong something fulfilling, na nilu-look forward ka, no, and I'm also seeing that, no. If it is sa work, nakikitaan mo ng malaking potential ito na magkakaroon ng positive na changes, no, sa iyong money, finances, no, or wealth. And if it has something to do with travel, no, you feel like something here will be happening, no, like unexpectedly. Parang may ganun kang nafe-feel. No, at kapag ka gano'n, wag mong balewalain yung intuition mo, no, you should or you must, okay, prioritize making a decision using your intuition. Kasi when you use your intuition, Leo, you are aligning what is inside your thoughts, okay, aligns to what your heart also wants to do, okay? So, it's your mind, it's your soul, it's your heart, no, being in alignment here. So that is how you make decision based on your intuition. Okay, so ilatag na rin natin to, no, para dire-diretso yung chika. So yeah, you also have here this page of wands. Something exciting is about to happen here that will make you really happy and excited, no? Gusto mong i-try, gusto mo yun agad gawin, pwedeng new job yan sa iba, pwede rin naman na meron ditong energy na hindi yan kayo, pero meron siya ritong gusto or excited siyang gawin, no? Na gusto ka niya ritong tangayin or isali or sitwasyon na involved ka, okay? So yeah, and it has something to do with money. Someone here, no, parang excited siyang ibalita ito sa'yo, no, kasi alam niya siguro na makatutulong ka rito, no, if it is money involved, na nakikita nitong tao na to yung growth, no, kapag ikaw yung magiging partner niya. So this could be a potential business partner here, or your colleague, or your coworker here. Or this is some kind of new opportunity, no, excited siyang i-share sa'yo ito kasi parang inalam niya yung tungkol diyan, 'no, at sure siya na legit 'yan, authentic 'yan, 'no, at magbubunga ng malaki yung partnership kung sisimulan ninyo together, 'no. But I'm also picking up that this could be someone here new or someone that you're connecting with, 'no, and I'm picking up na parang 7 weeks could be, 'no, yung pinaka-earliest, 'no, or newest rito na naka-connect mo yung person na 'yan, pero yung iba hindi niyo pa 'yan nami-meet. So you might be meeting this person here this February 2024 going to up to May 2024 right here. So yeah, you heard it right, no? So yeah, nakita ko rito mga babes, no, na kung sino man tong darating na to, this could be same as your age or hindi nagkakalayo ganun, yung age ninyo, but let's not get fixed with the age because age, gender is not really that important in energy readings, no? Feel the vibration and connection. Yan. So, whoever that new guy or new girl in town entering your life or already entered your life here, worth investing your time. This person's not gonna waste your time here because this person here will eventually worth it na pag-effortan mo siya. Okay? Kasi deserve mo siya. And deserve mo siya at deserve ka niya. So, I'm seeing no, na this will be some kind of a lasting, no, long-lasting connection. No? So, if this is someone here new, this person is meant to stay right here and will support you. Okay? Support you right here. Wow! Uy, nagpakita na agad yung bottom of the deck. So, the bottom of the deck is this Five of Swords energy, but let me just make tapos yung ating, others of you, this could be a friend, co-worker, colleague, or someone here na maging friends muna kayo at first. Yeah, we have here the star. See? Kasi nakikita na nitong exciting good news na to, no? Yung parang katuparan ng pangarap, no? I'm seeing you right here receiving that wealth. That offer will be the bridge, no, para makarating kayo doon, no, sa tagumpay or success na yan. The star is right here. Okay, wow. See? And you do not want to miss this opportunity. It will bring a lot of success. See, look at that. Six of Wands beside the star, Leo. So tell me. This will be the start of you receiving here your wishes. And I do pick up that it has something to do with your material gains, pero connect-connect ito, no? Kasi pag nakuha mo yung material gains na yun, no, it will make you feel na so fulfilling, so contented, so satisfied, and excited, no? To live your life more, no? Excited na gumising every day, excited to share these blessings, this good news with your loved ones here, okay? And be an inspiration to other people. Okay? So, parang ito, no, nakikita ko rito na itong mga worldly gains na sinasabi ko, like yung dream house na gusto mo, yung dream car na gusto mo, yung dream business na gusto mo, okay? Although they do exist, no, like kailangan ng money to make all of those things, no, na mangyari or mapunta sa'yo, no, yung pagkakaroon ng parang nakakadagdag yun sa well-being mo, sa confidence mo, no, tsaka yung pangarap mo natutupad, no, parang nagiging kontento ka kasi yung success umaangat, umaakyat, no? So, yung iba puwedeng promotion nito, no, sa'yo, pero mas nakikita kong promotion at mag-e-elevate talaga yung pera mo. See? Lumalabas na talagang pera, no, ang isa sa parang major events na kailangan mo rito na tingnan kasi you are appearing as the Queen of Pentacles energy next to success. Okay? And this is moving and moving and moving, no, ng maganda na progress. Okay? So with this star, nakikita ko rito na matutupad dito yung mga pangarap mo. Wow! Look at that. See? So let's see more. See, you've got the Judgment right here. Twice. Judgment and Judgment right here. So, I'm seeing you here, mga babes, no, na matatapos na rito yung parang stuck moment mo dun sa pinagdidesisyonan mo and you will go, either travel yun or either work-related yun, no. Different yun ha, yung nakikita ko. Iba yung work-related dyan, iba rin yung excitement na exciting offer dito. Okay? So, nakita talaga tayo dito ng pagbabago sa money mo, Leo. So, you've got opportunities right here for your money to grow. Okay? So, may kailangan ka talaga rito, kailangan na pagdesisyonan, no? At nakikita ko rito na kung ano man yun, it will bring you, tama yun, no? Tama yung nararamdaman mo, it will bring something very genuine and very fulfilling sa'yo. No? And see, look at that, Eight of Pentacles energy. This is you busy working on your finances, expanding it, no? If you want here na mag-business, magtayo ng business, may expand mo yan, there's expansion. Actually, your money is growing. Yun eh. Okay? And people here will definitely patronize your business. They will continue to support your business here. Okay? People, alam mo yung parang malaki kang magnet rito, no? Hinahatak mo yung mga potential clients, customers, no, sa'yo. no? Nakikita ko rito a lot of celebration, that's the Three of Cups energy. And I'm seeing someone here drinking in an ordinary glass, okay? And that ordinary glass turned to chalice, no? Glass, okay? Glass, parang wine glass kind of thing, no? And it's like this is you, no? Nagkaroon rito ng positive changes, no? Gumanda yung daloy ng money mo and of course, gumanda sunod, no, ang daloy ng life mo rito. Wow! But we have here the Five of Swords energy, and at the bottom of the deck, see, Four Swords, the Five of Swords energy. Yeah, I'm seeing you, no, na nabubuhayan ka rito ng confidence, no. Nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na nabubuhayan ka ng confidence, na tumataas, nagbo-boost yung self-esteem mo. It brings you a lot of healing, no, at nare-recharge ka rito na magpatuloy na ilaban tong kung ano man tong pagbabago rito sa life mo, no. Which is, nakukuha ko rito, no, na more likely sa wealth mo ito or something to do with money or finances mo. But I'm also getting the energy here of someone, yan, no, na nag-iisip sa'yo. Okay? But I don't trust this energy kasi etong tao na 'to 'no, magsisimula ka niyang isipin pagtapos niyang mabalitaan na nagkakaroon ng magandang balita patungkol sa kaperahan mo na gumaganda ito. So, ibig sabihin, this is the energy here of someone who is just thinking about you because you are growing, you are building your life, yun. And yes, I also do pick up, no, na itong person na 'to 'no, is puwedeng ito rin siya kasi nakuha ko yung energy niyo diyan 'no. Puwedeng ito yung tao rito 'no, na brinok yung trust mo diyan 'no, and see you as a missed opportunity right here, but I don't trust this person because this person will just cause conflict here in your life, lalo na kung past lover ito 'no. Hindi ko sinasabing mukha siyang pera ha. Pero kasi 'no, kung nakalaya ka na sa kanya rito 'no, wag mo na subukan bumalik pa kung ito yung person mo. Kasi sa nakikita ko rito 'no, kahit na puwedeng matagal na kayong hindi nagkita or whatever 'no, nag-separate rito, hindi siya nagbago. Immature pa rin siya 'no, at, puwedeng gastador din 'to 'no or materialistic siya 'no, alam na alam mo 'yan. Okey, nakita ko rito na nag-heal ka na sa kanya 'no. Siya kasi yung parang one day millionaire, eh, 'no. Siguro 'pag binigyan mo siya rito ng 5,000 sa isang araw 'no, ubos na 'yan wala pang 4:00. Yeah, you're starting your life anew with the death and rebirth here, Leo, no? And the universe, tignan mo, major arcanas, no, sunuran rito, no? So, nakikita ko dito nagkakaroon ka ng better understanding, better perspective, better perception sa buhay mo, no? Na habang may time, no, sa earth, you can really choose kung ano yung pathway na dapat mong daanan, no? And you are well guided. The spirits and angel guides are telling you that these changes, number 5 could be standing out or could be your birth date, but doesn't have to be. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 is the powerful number of change. And that change will bring you to this new beginning right here, okay? Wherein you will start this new beginning, this new passionate, exciting new beginning here in your life. And I'm seeing, see, look at that. So, nagkakaroon talaga rito, no, ng realization na never mo nang gustong ulitin yung mga bagay na gusto mong ulitin, no? But someone here cannot take you off his or her mind. This person cannot erase you, detach you, no, sa kanya ritong mind, no, kasi gusto niya rito ulit na bumalik, no, para lang talaga 'no, ma-fulfill yung kanya ritong needs. But I don't see na patutuloyin mo pa siya sa life mo here because you've already cut this person in your life, King of Swords energy. Mas nagiging matalino ka na ngayon 'no, Leo, yun nakikita ko rito. At ikaw yung klase ng individual that you keep your success secret 'no, to other people. Yes, you will celebrate with your loved ones here. Yeah, you will tell them story, no, of your success, pero you will not tell it all. Like, you will not be detailed about it. It's like, this is you. I've been promoted, yan, no, kasi maaaring ma-promote ka, no, yan, no, kasi sabi ng boss ko, magaling daw ako, masipag ako, yan, no, yung mga ganyan, no. Pero yung bawat, alam mo yung detalye kung paano mo yun naabot, you will keep it to yourself, High Priestess energy. Yeah. Alam mo kasi mga babes 'no, keep your manifestations here and work in silence, okay? Kasi yun talaga yun, okay? You should not tell, actually you must not tell other people about your wishes and dreams. Keep it to yourself and pray it. Talk to the universe 'no, siya lang yung puwede mong kausapin dito. Yeah, kahit sa closest friend mo, don't mention what are the things you want to manifest here in life. Oh, how was that, Miss Yan? Because it will help you to get or to pull that wishes ng mas mabilis sa inaasahan, 'di ba? And also what I pick up right here, Leo, is that you will receive here some kind of emotional message if you are someone na may partner ka na ngayon, no? Or may husband ka na or may wife ka, no? Actually, pwedeng sa kanya manggaling pero pwede rin sa part ng family mo. An emotional message, no? And it's a thanksgiving message, no? This person wants to thank for your existence. This person wants to tell you, okay, na isa ka rito sa parang naging inspirasyon niya, no? Na mag-move forward sa life niya, no? Or someone who treats you as a family or who you treat him or her as a family. So I'm seeing this person here getting emotional, no? Why is that? Okay? Because there is something here na puwedeng may sinabi ka sa kanya noon na pinalakas mo yung loob niya na hindi niya yun sinukuan, na muntik lang niyang sukuan, 'no? Pero you give this person or you gave this person here an advice to push it, okay? And then yun nga yun, 'no, nakuha niya 'to, 'no, at ikaw yung taong una niyang naisip, 'no, na nagtulak sa kanya na ipagpatuloy 'to, 'no, kahit muntik na siyang sumuko dito, 'yan, 'no. So yeah, I'm also picking up right here 'no, na kung ikaw man ay connecting here with someone 'no, nakikita ko rito na hanggang marriage na 'yan. I'm seeing here marriage contract, 'yan 'no. Both of you could love coffees or baka drinking teas, may favorite kayong ganyan or baka sa coffee shop or sa drink shop 'no, kahit ano, milk tea shop 'no, kayo magkita rito. This is calling for long-lasting, long-term commitment and you will build and share a home with, okay? Others of you, this is not, for everybody, pero specifically nakita ko that this person here could be malapit lang 'no, malapit lang sa inyo, like puwedeng kapitbahay or malapit lang sa area ninyo nakatira 'no. But puwede rin 'no, na most likely 'no, just take it how this resonates guys 'no. Ibig sabihin nasa life mo na siya, nasa orbit, nasa vicinity na 'no, ng life mo and preparing to enter your world if you haven't met this person yet 'no. It's like ganito, nagtatrabaho siya dun sa kabilang building and then lunchtime where everybody 'no is lumalabas 'no, pupunta sa canteen, bibili ng food 'no, or kakain sa restaurant or sa fast food 'no. Maaaring nag-cross na ang inyong paths 'no, puwedeng siya yung naka-line up sa likod mo 'no, naka-fall in line kayo 'no, but you do not know, dun na siya na pala yun. Possible na ganun yun, Leo. So yeah, thank you so much honey, these are your February 2024 readings. Sarang Heya, love and light. Annyeong.